Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vishwa Saital. I hope you are doing fine. So thank you for 500 subscribers. It's really great. So let's solve today's problem for Leetcode. The problem name is Jump Game 2. So 45. It comes under medium. So the problem is saying you are given a zero index array integer nums of length n. Okay, you are initially positioned at nums 0. Okay, each element nums I represent the maximum length of forwarded jump from index I. In other words, if you are at nums I, you can jump to any nums I plus j. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to return the minimum numbers of jump to reach the end of the array. Okay. So let's solve this problem. So the problem is saying here. So we have to reach at the end of the point here. So this is here. This is here. How many jump we can take? How many jumps we can take? So they told we can jump at max at two, like whatever at max we can jump. So what we can do? We can jump either one time or we can jump either two times. Okay. So what we have to do at the end, we have to reach at 4. So we can either jump one or two times at here. So let's say we jump one time here. Okay. So next, what is this 3? So what you have to do? We have to jump either one time, either two times, or either three times. So at here we reached at 4 at the end of the jump. So what we'll do here? So we can say here we will jump only two times. How we can jump here? We will jump first this first jump here, and then we can jump here, which is 2. This is the first case. Another case, if I jump two times, if I jumps two times, so I will jump at here directly at 1, directly at here 1, and here how many times I can jump? Only one time. So I can jump here, and here how many times I can jump here? Only one time. I will reach at the end of the array. So how many jump I have taken here? 3. Okay. So from here, which is minimum? Look, we have to return the minimum number of jump to reach at this one. So we can say the minimum jump is equal to 2. So how to? We can jump here first, then at 3 we can jump directly at the end of this one. So we need only 2 jumps to reach at the end of the array. So output here is equal to 2. Okay. So how we can solve it? We can use here dp, but it will take how many times? It will take n square. So but here they gave us we have to solve it in the range of 10 raised to 4. Okay. So what we can do here? We can't use dp here because it will show time error. Now what we will do? We will use another algorithm called greedy. We will use greedy function. Okay. So let's see. We have this array. So we have 3, 4, 2, 1, 1, 3, 5, 2, 0. Okay. So first what we'll do? We will name the indexes. What first we'll do? We will just name the indexes starting at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have just named the indexes. So now what we are using here? We will use here greedy algorithm. Okay, we'll use here greedy algorithm. So what is greedy algorithm? Let's see here. So he told, like in the question is saying we are starting from index 0. So at max how many jumps I can take? At max how many jumps I take? I can take here, 1 is here, I can take here, and I can take at max at 3 index. I will reach at third index. So I can say at max I can take 3 jump. Okay, and how many jumps I took? Only till now 1 jump. Okay, and what is the current? Where I will reach after the jump? At max we will reach at 3. So here I can say at max I will reach at 3. Okay, so now I have done for I is equal to 0. So we have to see till which will give a maximum jumps. So what we'll do? We will go for now I is equal to how? I is equal to 1. Now we will go I is equal to 1. So which is 4 here. if I jumped here only, now I can say I can jump how many times? 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I will reach here fifth index. I will reach here fifth index. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many jumps I can take here? I can take index. What is the index here? 1. And how many jumps? Plus 4, which is equal to how much? Which is equal to 5. So which is more than the max value now. So what you will do? I will go and update the max value. I will go and update the max value. Now we can say here 1 we can reach here at 5. Do we need to update jump and current? No, because we have to still find till here which is the maximum element we can do. So still here we will see which can go maximum times. Okay, so now we will go for I is equal to 2. So I is equal to 2. How many maximum he can jump? He can jump 2 times. So what is index here? Index is almost 2. So 2 plus 2 he can jump 4th index. So 2 plus 2 he can jump till 4 index. Is it more than the maximum value now? No. So no, now we will not update the value. So now we have the end of this one. At the end of this one we will check how many times it can jump here. It can jump only 1 times. So what is the index of this? I is equal to 3. And how many times it can jump? It can jump only 1 time. So it will be plus 1. So equal to 4. So for it can jump here 4 times. From these 3, which has the maximum number of jumping in index? Obviously the 1 index. So now what we will do? We can say here by the greedy equation, the 3 will jump here at most because we will get a maximum. After 4 we can jump directly to here 5th one index. Okay, so we can say now we have jumped another here. Now this will be equal to 2 jumps is we took here, 2 jumps is, and now current will be equal to how much? What is the index here? Index is here 5. Okay, so now we have to go and check. We have done till 3 index. Now we will go for 4th index. So I is equal to 4. How many times he can jump here? I is equal to 4. How many times it can jump here? It can jump only 1 times, and it will reach here 5. So 4 plus 1 which is equal to 5. Okay, it can jump 5. Now I will check for this guy. So how many times I can jump for this 5th index? So in 5th index I can jump 1, 2 and 3 times. So I can say, so what is the index here? I is equal to 5, and 5 plus 3, what is the index here? It is equal to 8. So I can say here I will get 8, and here the maximum is less than this one. So I will go and update the maximum equal to 8. Okay, so now here we have traveled all the 4 indexes till here we have traveled. So now I will say again here, first I will travel till 3. After that I will travel till 5 index, and after that I will travel till the 8th index. So how many jumps we took here? We took here 3 jumps. And what is the index here? What is the current index? It is 8. So now what we can say? We have reached the end of the index. So how much? What is the time complexity here? Time complexity is equal to n. Okay, and what is the space? Space is equal to 1. Okay, this is a very optimal solution or approach by using greedy. So let's code this problem. Okay, first what we have to do? We have to have 3 variables, which is int max will be assigned to 0. After that, what do we have? We have int jumps, which is also equal to 0, and we are starting, and rest, what is the current index you are at? Okay, is equal to 0. Okay, we have done this. Now what we have to do? We have to iterate to the array till we reach the end of the array. Okay, so we will do for int I is equal to 0. I should be less than. Here we should reach till n minus 1. So what we'll do here? We will say here nums dot length minus 1. Okay, and I plus plus. Okay, finish. Now what I can say here? I have to calculate the max value. I have to calculate the max value. How I can calculate the max value? I have to see which one is maximum or I plus nums plus I. What I did here, I added index plus the how many jump I can take. So what I can see here, I can say the max will be updated to here math dot max comma max comma I plus nums of I. So what I did here, so just say I will say at starting. So if I was here, if I was at here, I was now the max is equal to how much? Max is equal to 0. So now I am at index 3. So what I will do here, I will see which one is maximum. Is max equal to here 0, and we have another variable which is I. I is equal to how much? I is equal to 0, and what is the nums value? Nums value is equal to 3. So 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. So which one is maximum? 0 is maximum or 3 is maximum? Obviously 3 is maximum. We'll go and update the value here. I hope I'm clear here. So now what we have to do here? Now I have to say if the current is equal to 0. So what I was doing here, I was searching here. The first here current is equal to 0 and jump is also equal to 0 now. So I have found if the current is equal to the ith value, then do one thing. If the current is equal to the ith value, so that means I have to jump from there. So what I will say, if current is equal to ith value, then do one thing, change the value, whatever we found out the maximum, I will update the current value to it. So current equal to now max, and I have jumped one time. So jump will be plus plus. So here now I have to update the current value to 3. Now I am at third index, at most at the third index. So I will be at third index, and what is the jump here? Jump is equal to how many jumps will take? Will take one jump. Okay. After that, what we have to do? We have to stop this error, right? We have to stop this error. So what we'll do, if the current is more than nums dot length minus 1, then do one thing, return the jumps. Okay, if that's not case, if after the loop we can say just return the jump. Okay, if it is equal to, then we have to just return the jump. So let's solve. Just we'll do the try run for next value. So after that we found out this value, and from here we can say the maximum value is 5. So now what we'll do, we will just go and update the maximum value to 5. So here we'll go and maximum value will be equal to 5, and I will be remaining same, and till we reach here at 3, it will remain same. After reaching 3, when current is equal to 3 now, when the current is equal to 3, what I will do, whatever the max value was there, right, just update the max value to the current value, which is now equal to 5, and I have to increase the value to 1. Okay, I have to increase the value to 1. Now it is equal to 2. Now after that I have to check till here. After that I have to check till this 2 here, which is the maximum value. Maximum value is 8. Maximum value is 8 here. So I will go and update 8 here. And when I reach at index 5, which is index 5, index 5 is this guy. So when I reach at index 5, what I have to do, I have to update it. When I reach the index 5, I have to update the current value to the max. So I will go and update the current value to the max, and I have to jump 3 times. Okay, and after that it will iterate to the array, and the current I is equal to, whenever it will come outside here, it will come outside, and it will not go to it because it is equal to the length of this, and then after that it will return the jump here. What is jump here? The jump is equal to here 3. The output for this equation is 3. I hope this is clear. Let's submit this on this if they have any error. Yes, it is getting accepted. Okay, let's submit and see. It is getting accepted, and we are getting 99.45 and 75.83. I hope this is clear, and if you still have any doubt, please do comment. I will surely help you. And if you like this video, please give a like, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. It will be great help, and thank you for watching. Keep coding. Chalo, bye.